Alright, hi guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing us how to edit a mockup, and it's really simple. Just follow through. The first thing you need to do is to actually, download it from any design website. Download it from mockup based on what you need. So after downloading it, you extract it, and then you can import it to Photoshop. Photoshop is a software where you edit mockups. You can't edit mockups. There are some mockups you can edit in Illustrator, but basically most mockups are edited in Photoshop. So I have one downloaded here. It's for A5. It's a A5 print layout mockup. So I'm just going to open it by just clicking once. I wait for it to open, and here's my mockup. So I want to edit it. To my right here, I can see a lot of buttons. Now these eye icons, they actually indicate the visibility of what is here. For example, if I click this eye button, you notice the brightness drop, so it's indicating that this is for the brightness, this is for the shadow, you see, this is for stick. So when I click and unclick, do you understand, I'm able to see that okay, this is what is being affected. So but now I just want to change what is here. I have my design already, so I just want to put it here. I would go to this first one. Why? Because there's a thumbnail that reads smart object thumbnail. So a smart object in Photoshop allows you to be able to make an edit in another tab, you understand, without disrupting the quality of the image. That's what the smart object is. So when I will double click this thumbnail icon, do you understand? If I double click it, it opens another tab, as you can see, and it has taken me to another tab. So here I am on another tab. So I will just import my design here. If I don't have the design, maybe I want to design from the scratch, go ahead and design. But since I have it, I'm just going to go to my file. I can take place embedded, select place embedded, and then just going to scroll down to one of the designs I'm planning to use. I think I like this one. So I'm just going to, after clicking, just click place. So you wait for it. See, there it loads. So I just need to drag it to make it align. Alright, and then at the bottom as well. Then after that, I can press my enter button, or I select this mark. So after that, I have to save it. If I don't save it, I won't see it reflected here. I have to save it. So I either press Ctrl S or go to file and save. Once you save, you can actually close it. Do you understand? Once you close it, you find it here. Do you get the point? So this is my mockup being edited. So if I want to make changes again, I'll go back and click this thumbnail, double click it, and then it opens it up. Maybe I want to change it, I want to do some things. That's what I do. When I'm done, I save, I close, and as I say this, to get the point. So let me know if this helped you. Thank you.